Hi guys, sorry if it's a bit dark. It's literally, I think it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, me and the kids are off out. I finished homeschooling. We are off to the shops. Today's going to be a come shop with me in Poundland. I've got a bit of things to get. I want to get a few things in the Easter section. I want to see what's new in the Easter section, and also I want to just check out the homeware section in Poundland, because I really do need to decorate the boys' room, and I'm kind of stuck on what to do with them. So I need some inspiration from Pinterest, Poundland. Yeah, so we're gonna go in there. Seriously, you don't want the truck, but you want the metallic paint. The truck. These are nice. So, why are their lips like that? Mommy would love that.
But I think I don't.
Cute. This is so cute.
Let me hold it. Mommy, he has it. Yeah, I can get I'm the king. I'm the pirate bird.
We've got too many glasses. I'll decide on this one.
My husband.
It's got lips on it. It's got lips. Oh, it's like a jewelry box. It's a trinket pot. It's got lips.
When?
Hopefully the video doesn't look great, because it's a really foggy day and it's raining outside. Yeah, but comment below if you're like one of those weirdos. I don't know, I wouldn't say it's weirdos, but like you like the sound of like the rain. Yeah, I'm one of those people, especially at bedtime and it's raining outside. It's really soothing to like get you to sleep. It is, seriously. First of all, I got more of these flowers. You guys have seen in my videos. You've seen in my previous videos. I already have these flowers in my vase. I just end up getting more and more, but I think this is my last bunch. Last week I got 2 more, and then I came back home and I was like, oh, the vase needs more. Next I got this in the Easter section. This little rabbit, like little rabbit dish. Yeah, rabbit dish. You can get lettuce dish in the Easter section. All gone. This rabbit dish is the last one left. I was looking for it. I was like, oh, I'm so disappointed. I'm gonna use it to put like the Easter chocolates in it, and I think that's what it's intended for. But yeah, I picked up these Smarties, also in Poundland, Smarties buttons. So around the Easter time, I'm gonna put like these different chocolates onto the dish. So yeah, every week I just buy different chocolates and put it on the dish. And yeah, and then on that day the kids just go, and it's really nice, because I think with Easter we don't make much of an effort, and I was like, we need to make much of an effort, because as we're Christians, I think we need to make even much of an effort than just, oh, we'll just buy an Easter egg, kids eat it. Oh, okay. Instead of just like, we'll just buy an Easter egg, the kids eat it, and that's just it. Yeah, you guys would have seen this in the gardening section. It's not for the garden. I got it to, I'm gonna use it as a shelf in my toilet. Why are you sad? So as a okay, I'm going to use this as a shelf in my bathroom because I need a shelf in my bathroom. I've been looking for a shelf, and like at the same time I want it to be a little bit not just a normal plain shelf bish bash bosh. Like I want a shelf that looks a little bit like shabby chic is what the new word they call it, or like retro, just all vintage looking or something like that. I already have brackets in that I got from Poundland. They're not actually brackets, they're used for something else, but I personally think like I am going to use them as brackets because they do look like brackets. I think it will work. I picked up some acrylic paint, a carbon black and scarlet red. Yeah, I picked up these because I'm gonna go back to sketching. Normally I just sketch, but then I was like, let me sketch and paint. So yeah, I'm going to be going back to sketching and painting. It's something I really enjoy, and yeah, and I was like, you know what, let me try out painting because I don't do painting. The only people that do painting in this house is the kids. So I was like, as someone who sketches and you're an artist, I'm at the beginning stage. Basically, I just want to try out some paint. I just want to try out to see how painting works. See how painting works. I'm pretty sure it's going to work out well, but it's like, you know, I'm trying it out. It's beginning stages. Obviously after a time you get better. But yeah, and also I saw a review on this and from another YouTuber, and like it's like some of them are pretty good, and they've got the metallic ones as well. So yeah, super excited. So guys, I have been back into Poundland earlier on today, and I thought I'd just combine in this video the stuff that I got, because I was like, I don't think they're worth doing another haul video. It will literally it won't even be that long. But yeah, I thought I'd combine it in this video. So I thought the first thing I'll show you guys is this. See that? It lights up. £1 in Poundland, you guys. £1. Yeah, in another video you will see I've got 2 of these. I already have 2 of these upstairs, so I've got a third one because I need a third one. Yeah, I got some Zaflora fresh linen. I just fancied some Zaflora fresh linen. I'm gonna try and do a deep clean of the house today, this weekend basically. Today's Saturday. So I want to do a deep clean, and I was like, you know what, we need some Zaflora. You know when you clean and you want the house to smell fresh? I was like, let me get some Zaflora. I don't buy it, I rarely buy it, but today I was like, yeah, it's that springtime deep clean like instincts that's kicking in probably with me. I got a dustpan and brush. Now I did get one last week, but the one I got last week is it's not really good quality when it comes to gathering the dust, you know, the edge bit. This one, I like it because when you put it down like this, you don't have to bend down it like that, because I think with the other one you have to proper like bend and squeeze it down and try and gather the dust, and then kids when they're trying to clean, they're not gathering the dust. Also, this one has a flower on it on the brush. And then lastly, I got the Easter table runner, the grass table runner. Yeah, I got this for my plant. I got a plant pot. Basically you're gonna see in a DIY. You're gonna see it in a DIY in the next couple of months, because I have to get flowers for it. So if you watch my gardening video that I did last year, I got this plant pot from HomeSense, and I was originally going to use it as a plant pot, but I'm not going to use it. I just didn't want to put it in the garden for some reason, because it's so nice, it's pink and it's geometric, and I was like, no. And then later on I was like, and then last year I was like, you know what, let me find a proper like fake plant for it, for the pot to put in the house somewhere, in the hallway, but especially in the hallway. So I'm gonna use this. for that DIY. But anyways, that was for my haul, guys. I will be going back again to Poundland for more homeware stuff. And yeah, just storage ideas in there that I just want to like have a look at. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget to check out all of my previous videos. Some will be linked up here and also at the end of the video. Take care. Bye. Oh, someone's irritated.